They watch TV after dinner.
Watch TV. Watch TV.
They watch TV after dinner. They watch TV after dinner.
Do homework. Do homework.
He does his homework after school. He does his homework after school.
Take a nap. Take a nap.
She takes a nap in the afternoon. She takes a nap in the afternoon.
Go shopping. Go shopping.
They go shopping on Saturdays. They go shopping on Saturdays.
Cook dinner. Cook dinner.
She cooks dinner for her family every night. She cooks dinner for her family every night.
Do the dishes. Do the dishes.
I do the dishes after meals. I do the dishes after meals. Take a walk. Take a walk.
They take a walk in the park every evening. They take a walk in the park every evening.
Go to bed. Go to bed.
He goes to bed at 10 p.m. He goes to bed at 10 p.m.
Meditate. Meditate.
She meditates for 10 minutes every morning. She meditates for 10 minutes every morning.
Call a friend. Call a friend.
He calls his friend every weekend. He calls his friend every weekend.